Hey, what's up? Welcome to Roman to Yoga. If you're new here, I'm Casey, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways how to use a yoga block. So a few housekeeping items. If you take one of my yoga classes, you'll hear me say, place the yoga block horizontally on your mat or vertically. And there's 3 settings on your yoga block, which is low, medium, and high. Yoga blocks help with modifications or to deepen your yoga practice. So first up is supine twist pose. Make your way onto your back. Place a bend in your left knee. Lower it towards your right and let the yoga block rest on the knee. And if you can use 2 yoga blocks as well, and you can rest it on the knee and ankle. 2, bridge pose. Make your way onto your back. Place your feet hip width distance apart. Draw your navel point in and up, and on your next inhale, place the yoga block under your low back. Rest. And you can actually stack the blocks if you want a little bit more. 3, crescent lunge pose. Come to hands and knees, step the right foot forward, place a yoga block on each side, on the left and right hand side. Choose the level that best suits you, low, medium, or high. Camel pose. Come to rest on your knees. Notice that they're hip width distance apart. Place the yoga blocks behind you. Extend your right hand to the back and then your left hand to the back. Draw your low belly in and up. Look up towards the ceiling and feel the stretch. And number 5, reclined bound angle. Make your way onto your back. Firmly press all 4 corners of the feet together and place the yoga blocks to rest under the left and the right knee, on the outside of the left and the right knee. There are many other ways to incorporate yoga blocks into your yoga practice. I hope you enjoyed today's review on 5 ways to use your yoga blocks as modifications. Thanks, have an awesome day, and let me know, what kind of yoga videos would you like to see?